Oh my god, dude, somebody put balls in my underwear and just sent a picture of my balls.
It's in here, oh, there's fucking Sunday in there real quick. Oh, fucking hell, right in here. Back to the Bugatti.
Oh, up here, whip.
Pop on down to Toby's for a thick pint of grog.
I remember I peed on the carpet once, and oh man, I got kicked in the head so hard. I have a big dent there now.
Mitch, I'm gonna give your dad my computer when I have to upgrade.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and then he's gonna be a gamer with us.
Oh hell yeah. He likes Left 4 Dead 2, and
Well, I know a good mod list for him. Yeah. Can you imagine? Drop
Alright,
Jerry
Left 4 Dead
into
2.
like
I
a
love
vanilla
Left 4 Dead.
chapter of Left 4 Dead, and then let yourself have the reins of the fucking Steam Workshop, and then load him back into the same chapter. Watch his mind melt.
What the fuck? I thought I picked Coach. Why am I a woman? Good lord.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, that's hot. Oh my god, he's hot.
I can imagine him going, that one looks a little young. A couple of them.
What's up with that porta potty? Look.
What's up with that bus?
Don't look at the top.
Yeah, don't look at the top of the bus,
Don't look
Dad.
at
You
the
don't
top
need
of
to
the bus.
climb up on that car.
Don't get up there. Don't get up there. Yeah. Oh fuck. Left 4 Dead. What a game.
Best game. My dad stopped doing funny shit when, like, I was, like, maybe 14. I can remember some of the funny goofs he used to do. He would go and play sand volleyball. And,
My dad did too.
yeah, I bet they played.
Oh,
I bet they genuinely played against one another. But he would come back from that, and he would just knock on my door, and then peek his head in, and I could see on his face he's got a shit-eating grin. I'm like, what? So I take off the gaming headset, and he goes, I need to know, is there any sand in there? And he turns around, and it's just his bare ass. So of course I'm like, no, Dad, there's no sand in there. Unless you drug your butt through the sand, Dad.
Thanks for showing me your ass.
And he would be like in tears. He thought it was so funny to just show his little white ass.
Yeah, that is pretty funny.
My dad never
That
did
used to be
anything like
funny.
that. But
No, I don't. I don't think my
Everyone
dad's
else's
done
dad
it
just
either.
says funny shit, and I just see my dad's ass. This sucks.
what the fuck, Mitch?
This
Get
isn't
that back. Yeah. So my dad did stuff like, so we'd be cleaning fish together, you know, father-son bonding moment of just stabbing fish and gutting them.
Yeah, killing fish. Very cool. Anyway.
Yeah. We would.
Yeah, we'll just gloss over that one.
So we would do that. So like I would have my hands all slimy and shit, right? And I wiped it on my dad's arm one time, not thinking about his reaction. Just thought it would be a little funny. I'm gonna wipe some slime on my dad's arm. Well, he's in the middle of cleaning a fish, so he has a half-gutted fish. He just grabs it with his other hand and slaps me in the face with it.
Oh my god. You're a dick.
Or the one time I was just fucking with him. Ugh. I don't remember what I was doing to fuck with him, but he was getting pissed. He goes, "I will fuck you," and I go, "Dad, you can't say."
I remember you telling me about that. Yeah, and that's my dad doesn't say funny shit. He just hey son, here's the joke, my fucking bare ass.
That's better though. That's the kind of dad I
No,
want
it's
to
not.
be.
What am I supposed to say to that, dude?
Hell yeah, Dad.
Just be like,
Yeah,
oh,
like
just
all I could do is just be like, no, fucking Dad, there's no fucking sand in there, dude.
say, say, yes, there's
I don't
sand
gotta
in
look.
there. Say, there's some sand here. And you pick one out and eat it, and you go, oh, never mind, that's just poop. That's what you're supposed to say.
Yeah, there's one right here, and you just spank him.
Yeah, there's a little bit right here. Just grab his nuts.
Give him a tug. Bet he'll never do it again.
Yeah, but probably never talk to me again either.
Shit. My dad doesn't show me his ass, but my dad shows my ass to a lot of people.
Oh, good.
Like him mooning people, or I
Oh
guess,
yeah, no, sure, fair enough. Yeah, he would totally do that.
or showing people his nuts. He does that a lot too.
Oh my God, I see gum.
Ever tell you about my football,
God,
high school
it's
football group chat?
No.
I think I told Hunter about it. I just,
Yes, you did.
because like they would all try to be clever, like, oh my God, guys, I got gum stuck on my leg. Look at this, you know, just the gum thing. And then I would just completely ruin the joke and just not have a joke. Like, oh my God, dude, somebody put balls in my underwear. And just send a picture of my balls. It was my favorite. That one got about 3 laughs. Everyone else is like, dude, you don't know how this works.
It's like the same
not.
brain cell as somebody wiped a fucking boner on my pants. It's so gross. God, we're funny, dudes. Who else can reminisce on their old jokes and fucking still laugh at them? No one. Not a single one. Trying to throw that in my head. Try to jam my fingers again, buddy? Huh?
Huh?
Try to jam my fingers by throwing that at me?
Yeah, I did.
Huh? You just need to jam my other fingers or something, huh?
Catch this nerd. Just
Yeah, and just fucking kill me?
tries to hug
Like
it.
you did today?
misses.
3 times because you jammed 3 fingers?
Oh!
With malicious intent, mind you, Mitchell.
It was
Oh, yeah.
not
Each
malicious
individual
intent.
one in a fucking block. Just a big tungsten block. It said, this is for nothing, because I'm a dick. Haha. And then he smashed 3 of my fingers. And I said, oh, Derek, stop.
Or how about
He
this?
didn't.
I threw him a football and he very unathletically didn't catch it and jammed his fingers.
That's not the case at all. I have
remember when I
never
used
dropped
to be
a
able to hang
football.
out with my friends.
I never dropped a football before in my life.
He did.
Either.
He really did.
So yeah, Derek is fucking evil and will smash your fingers with tungsten blocks if you don't catch a football or something. I don't know.
I keep them in my pockets.
He does. He went, hey, shit ass, heads up, and fucking threw it and went, oh!
I actually,
My finger, Derek.
you know how
Football.
pitchers in baseball will have like 2 balls in their glove? Yeah, I do that.
Really?
I do that.
I'm just
But
like baseball.
I'm just like, my underwear's just like baseball, dude. 2 balls.
It's so crazy.
But I do that, but with a football and a tungsten block. He doesn't know which one I'm throwing.
Yep. He gets me every time. The tungsten block just fucking wedges into my skull and I die. Oh! But it is a really funny prank.
It is. It's funny every time.
It is. I do laugh.
With one more, one less quadrant of my brain working.
Exactly. You guys understand what it's like. Be friends with Derek and just get tungsten blocks. Oh! I have the reaction time of a fucking chewed pencil right now. I am not reacting to my surroundings.
Is a chewed pencil good?
No.
It tastes good.
Okay.
He's got a point there.
Why else would it be chewed, huh?
Pretty sure it's second grade.
Derek's him. Derek's him.
Oh, he's dead. Oh,
Derek's him.
damn him.
Later.
Fucking asshole.
And I don't
Yeah,
think
well,
you
she's
replied
a
to my Snapchat.
I'm busy
Oh my
killing
God.
bugs.
36
I'm killing
minutes
bugs.
ago.
I'm killing bugs.
I think you hate me.
That's true.
That's right. I once sent something to Derek, and he responded, like my location, and then I looked out the window, and he blew my head off. So
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm all right
His
now.
IP address. I responded with his IP address and gave his computer malware. Ow!
Ball.
My leg, it broke it. It broke it.
Oh shit. Mine too.
What? Broken leg again.
I
What is
love
that
Ice King.
from? I know
That's
that's from
Adventure
some.
Time, Ice King.
Yeah.
He wakes up and his fucking leg is like off to the side.
Yeah.
What? Broken leg again.
Me when broken leg again.
Fuck! Me with broken balls again.
What?
What? Broken balls
Busted
again.
nut again.
When I wake up from a wet dream.
Yeah.
Where's my butt?
Okay.
Don't hit that.
Blue marker.
Orange marker, baby.
Blue marker.
Wait, my backpack. Whoa, easy, pal. Hey, buddy.
What?
No way.
What? No way.
Just used all three of our reinforcements.
The Lord spawned that in front of me. Oh no.
Fuck it, you know, whatever. We don't need those reinforcements, or the car, or any of our gear or samples. It's fine.
Who was driving, fucking retards? Alright, somebody speak up, dude.
Yeah, and you say I'm a bad driver. What the fuck?
Oh!
Ah!
I don't know where that went.
You fucking whiffed it! I want to shoot you in the asshole so bad.
It wasn't even me.
It was you. I saw you just pick it up and left click instantly.
Yeah, it knocked me over.
It knocked all of us over. Because we all spawned in the same area because because Derek drove it in the fucking abyss.
That's true. You're passenger. You're supposed to have the map.
You were on the go.
Oh,
I needed a GPS and I didn't have one.
Again. Up. Yeah, I meant to do that.
Did you shoot my ass?
What if, like, we were all fish and we all, like, ate flakes together?
That would be so much fun.
It was
God,
so
I'd
cool.
love eating flakes with you guys.
I'd be all up at the surface and shit.
Like, just, like, you know, nibbling.
Just like kissing the top of the water and shit,
Yeah.
sucking up flakes.
And I'd be like, shit, you guys too? What's up?
What's up, guys?
How are the
And then I'd
flakes
get
over
really
here, man?
territorial, and, like, kill someone.
Oh, fuck. I'm not gonna survive the dive.
Oh, Mitch can get
I'm not
out!
gonna survive the dive.
are you sure?
Hunter, don't
Oh my
die!
god, he survives.
I think it was the other way. But
Barely.
okay.
Oh shit!
I was on
Get in
life
here,
support
Mitch.
going in there, dude. You
Mitch, get in
coming.
here!
the
Get in
fucking
here, Mitch.
oxygen mask ready for me right away, dude.
Get in here!
Oh my
I think my
god.
neck is on.
I guess this thing.
Bet, but
I don't think so. But okay.
Did you see the
Here,
co-pilot
show me.
slip me into an iron
No, no,
lung
let's
right
go this
away?
way.
I was on -2 HP.
did you? It's. Oh,
Yeah,
I fucking
Hunter
landed
had
and my
like a
neck
cup
went
hair of health
crunch.
left.
I was like, I was crawling. I was afraid if I stood up, I was just gonna die. The
you
weight
not
of
have
me
any
just trying to
skins?
move my own self would kill me.
2 stars?
I mean, I thought
Yeah,
that
we
was
did-
like
we
at
did- we
least
did
10
fuck
stars
all.
of effort.
Yeah.
We did absolutely nothing in that mission. We did the bare fucking minimum.
Yeah.
The t-
Where's this fucking thing? It's in there, isn't it?
Don't go in that hole either.
Isn't it?
Ain't it?
It's in here. Oh, there's fucking sun down there real quick. Oh, fucking hell, Ryan's in here. Back to the Bugatti.
Pull up here, whip.
Pop on down to Toby's for a thick pint of grog.
Alright. Someone's gonna blow that up.
You almost sound like an angry Irishman now at this point.
Well, that's the thing,
Scotsman.
Derek. I always am.
You're not Irish. Shut up.
Alright, I guess I'll
Bitch,
blow
look
it
at the
up.
hair.
Your hair ain't red.
Don't need to be red. When it gets long, it is kind of straighter at the start and then gets curly towards the end.
And mine does that.
Sure, Jesus.
That's how it's done. Would have got it done faster with me shovel.
Where'd you go, Billy?
With me pickaxe.
Whoa, bug in my butt.
Go up.
See you, ladybug. Put it in my butt.
What is going on?
Get on
don't
down
fucking know.
Up with the lads.
Where's the damn hole? Bug holes, dude.
Fuck it, we don't need none.
Keep that head down, boy. I was schmove off.
Out of me way.
Two-wheel trick. Oh, wait. My insane reaction time fucking saved us. Did you asshole? No. Stinky finger.
Gotta take
true.
that.
Uh-oh.
Stinky finger. Yes. Stop blowing me up! Jesus
didn't.
Christ! That's
Wasn't
twice.
me.
Do you
I
really
cannot
fix
stand
your
on my
problem when
feet.
you itch your asshole with your finger, or do you just create another? And that is stinky finger.
Stinky
I've never
finger
had a
smells
stinky
good
finger
though.
in my life.
These
you
are
know? I'm just-
questions we all need to ask ourselves.
But do you like stinky finger?
No.
What if
Stinky
its own
fingers
stink?
are for balls.
No, he's got a point. Yeah.
Oh! You trying to give me brain damage here?
Wish I could. Hey, good job stopping that. Fuck. All right.
Well, because Derek's fat ass head was in the way, dude. You want me to shoot Derek, my friend? You want me to shoot my friend Derek in the fucking head? Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
You just throw me out of here! I got you! Okay, let me try again, let me try again. Let me try again, let me try again.
Oh,
I
I
died.
shouldn't have
just
tried again. I shouldn't have tried again because I just shot you guys and just blew you up instead that time.
Crazy. When you launch explosives at your friends, they die. That's crazy.
wow.
That can't. You need to show me a fucking peer-reviewed source that is could ever
Google, is
be
this
a
true?
possibility. That could never be a possibility. Show me a peer-reviewed study.
A
Show
simulation
me
on the
where
Deadliest Warrior
me shooting my
software.
friends with a propelled grenade would kill them
Show me
instead
show
of
me the
flipping their
deadliest-
already flipped car over.
Show me the Deadliest Warrior simulation of that right now.
Yeah,
Cute.
run that shit back and give us like a X-ray vision of all of our fucking bodily harm.
Behind you guys!
Like 1,000 ways to die.
I want to see every organ that got punctured by shrapnel. We could really use a fourth person, Bailey.
You talking to me?
No, the other Bailey in the call.
Wait, is there another
no.
dog around?
Arf.
Arf.
Okay, DMX.
My homies is dogs, yeah, we bark a lot.
Yeah, we're puppies up in this bitch.
Don't.
What?
Yeah, we puppies up in this bitch. I'm peeing on the carpet.
Whoa.
because I don't know what else to do. I'm a puppy.
chewing on my balls. I'm chewing on my balls.
You're weird. Puppies
What?
don't do that.
Puppies do that. Every puppy does that. Mitch.
I think you're.
Every
I
puppy.
think you're trying.
He's ruining this.
I am not.
So gross.
Stop
Only
projecting.
bad
okay?
puppies pee on the carpet.
Yeah.
I'm
Not a good
bad.
No.
a bad puppy.
I'm a really bad puppy.
I remember I peed on the carpet once, and oh man, I got kicked in the head so hard. I have a big dent there now.
My dad put my nose in it one time.
No.
I liked it.
Yeah, he rubbed
Now I
my
have a
nose in
pee
my
fetish.
urine.
But only my pee.
Just love pee, man.
And I went, what do other flavors smell like, Papa? And then he did it again.
I said,
Then he-
thank you, sir. May I have another? I'd probably get away from there if I were you.
Hey, we still have to evacuate citizens.
Google.com.
Google.com these nuts on your chin.
Well,
Alright,
That's my line.
What did you say, Hunter?
yeah, I mean,
I said, that's my line.
It is your line.
a good pirate never steals.
Shut up!
That's not true at all.
Fucking
bad-
pirate propaganda. We're not going to go off of that swashbuckler, hogwash, dog shit kids show.
A good pirate never steals another person's property.
Oh, yeah? Well, a great pirate's about to kick your fucking ass, pussy. Come outside
Yeah.
right now.
I've got Bucky on my side, dude.
Fucking
Pull up on my block. We're gonna sing songs about your ass.
Who? Yeah. Unreal. Me and your girl are going on an adventure that we're gonna remember forever. And it's gonna
Oh,
be
yeah?
about friendship.
It's gonna be the real friend you made along the way.
Yep. You don't even know.
Bro can't even find friends.
So yeah, anyways, here's a fucking missile, dumbass.
Me doing a crossword.
I swallowed it and it does nothing. Okay. Oh, that's crazy. That's
I
so
thought
funny.
you were gonna be okay, but then you weren't. And I almost wasn't. If
Okay.
there was like pirate liberalism, you know, liberal propaganda, but for pirates, it would be that they don't steal.
Rule 3 of the pirate code. Every pirate must bounce on it.
Whoa! It's just the code, guys.
You like the way I bounce on your cock?
Arg and whatnot.
Yarg, I'm bouncing on
Yard,
it.
that be my booty.
Yar, you like the way I
Arg,
clap my
you
cheeks
bouncing
on your
on it.
tiny boy cock.
What?
What?
Rewind! Run that back! There is a word in there. There's an adjective I disagree with.
Sir,
Yeah,
your
I
law
only
is
said
hard.
tiny boy cock because we're on the open seas and there's no laws
we
out
don't
here.
like boy cock.
Oh,
we like
very-
boy butt.
okay, you know.
We're in
lawfully he's
international
got a point.
waters.
Lawfully, this pirate has a
No,
point.
guys,
Fuck.
it's true. It says so in the script.
Oh my god. Initializing
They
fart
sold
block?
if they sold ground hot dog at the grocery store, would you guys buy that?
That's
Yeah.
what spam is.
What?
Hot dog?
So literally
I
what
like spam.
No,
is.
ground hot dog. Spam is not ground. It's compact.
Pureed. Pureed
Fermented.
hot dog. Fermented?
Pureed dog.
Then you'll get your fucking dog.
Y'all like your hot dog with the pulp or what?
Lightly sucked, please.
You guys like your farts with pulp or what?
Yeah, I do.
Sorry. That was not the handbrake.
What the fuck? Why did I fly so high in the air?
Rubber
Red Bull
bones.
gives you wings. Guys, this episode is sponsored by Red Bull.
It's not.
Thank you, Red Bull. Thank you to our sponsors.
I love Red Bull.
Grave digger. Uh-oh.
Gravedigger sucks! Gravedigger fell off!
We
This
did.
Gravedigger's brought to you by Red Bull.
Oh, hey, fuck me. This is not a good place to be in.
No, it is not. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Quit turning around! Get away!
I'm trying.
You just keep turning around and going through the buttons.
No, you're not. You should have just followed me.
I should have followed you though. But
Alright,
you're not
man,
in
I know
the
what I'm
right place
doing
either,
now.
so.
Yes, I am. It's right here.
We're gonna go pick Hunter up, and we're gonna go on an adventure.
Oh shit.
Okay.
God
you
damn,
can't
good
drive
thing's
through
got, thing's got seatbelts on it.
Whoa.
Oh god, there's gas!
Get us out of the fort cloud! Hunter, your foot stink.
Yeah, baby.
Oh.
That's what happened. That's what real pulp smell like, boy.
That's a real fart with pulp.
That's what a real
fuck
fart with
my
pulp smell
car.
like. I know you know the smell. You know a rich one.
I know a rich fart when I see one.
Fuck you, Mitch. Don't ever.
Dude, I die every 5 seconds in this game.
Be better.
No,
Yeah,
I refuse.
skill issue.
I'm gonna krill issue.
issue.
Fuck you.
Bitch.
You want to? I'll give you some good advice my dad gave me growing up. He was like, you know, Dad, I feel like I'm just not good at this stuff. I don't know why I keep trying it. And he said, "Where's my beer?" And then he hit me.
Didn't
so
ask.
emotionally
I'm
moving.
thirsty
The
though.
moral of the story: shut up and give me a beer already.
Or something like that.
It's
Maybe. I don't know.
all coming back to me.
Run! Did my exosuit just kill him?
Whoa, whoa! I just fell over.
Mine showed network error, Billy.
Dude, I can't get to my exosuit. I'm gonna die. I'm
I'll
gonna
go
die.
back in.
Or the
See, 1 second.
Just wasted an exosuit.
Well, seems like a you issue.
No here.
You just got here, dude.
I did
Damn.
not just get here.
Last guy I saw get heared pulled his arms off in disgust. It was crazy.
Yep, psychological damage.
Did you see what
Send
Jade
him
shared,
to
Billy?
the damn shadow realm.
Facebook?
Yeah.
No, I don't have her on Facebook.
Oh my god, it put me in the fucking beginning.
No, I wasn't.
Alright.
Or was I?
Well, I bled out apparently.
I just called a missile right there. You may want to run.
Is there any way that you can come back?
Sure.
Uh-oh.
What did she post on Facebook?
Someone was selling their
I
Great Cup
moved so
tickets.
fast. I don't know how I died.
Oh,
I just got kicked into a hole
send
and
you.
died.
oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ah.
You're the best.
I know.
No, that can't be. I'm the best.
Oh! Get this fucking thing off me! Just squished. Flattened.
This is why we wear helmets.
So true, I didn't take a lick of damage.
I could totally
Damn,
kill you
someone's
right now.
garbage in the street.
Hey!
Hey, we're not supposed to go this way!
It's alright. Alright.
Damn, man, you just fucking crushed my skull into the fucking earth.
Wait here for. Oh, I'll go pick up Hunter.
Yeah, it really sent me, and there's bugs.
Yeah, we can make it through.
Okay.
Oh my
I just
God.
got dumped out.
I hit that and it does nothing, so.
You ran me over like 3 times.
Hey.
Far.
Think skinny, boys. Nice.
Nothing bad happened.
Yeah, I didn't get ran
gotta
over and my
go.
skull crushed at all.
I don't know where to go.
This wasn't here
Jump it.
before.
Well, we gotta go to extract.
No!
Extract is right.
Goddamn fucking bleeding buff killed me.
I marked
Why does
extract.
bleeding out have to be so fucking bad now?
Get in! Don't get in the gun. Don't get
We in the gun.
You're gonna die.
Someone's gotta kill the bird, Derek.
Oh! No!
I'll be okay.
I'll even drive kind of safe.
Pops a bug. They turned them
Garrick,
off
what
in
if
Watertown.
I brought you to go look at the Northern Lights and things got romantical?
Okay, so first off, there's no if.
Sorry, I'm just thinking, you know.
It's when things got romantical. Okay,
Yeah,
it's not an
yeah.
if. Probably
I mean, it's
start-
happening either way, but
I'd probably start by nuzzling you and wagging my tail.
all right, I put you down. Never mind.
You're done. Fuck you.
Man, this dog just beating on my shoe. Huh? Don't like that. I don't know what gun to bring.
Stomps on dog's head.
Normalize humping your homie's legs as a greeting.
The next time I'm out of your house, I'm gonna fucking break through that door.
Going feral on my leg.
Recalculating.
Until one of us nuts
Broken leg again.
Broken leg again.
breaks leg from humping.
Breaks. Oh no, nuts from humping. Bust nut from humping. Maybe.
Breaks penis.
How far
in
can you guys
half
pull your
from
nuts downward
jorking
before it
it?
starts to hurt?
You don't want to know that.
What did
question.
you just say? What did you just say?
Because what you're asking is a scientifically measurable outcome, Mitch.
Hold on. Repeat what you just
Get
said
the
to
fucking
me.
ruler. I'll beat your ass. I guarantee it.
No.
What you just
Big
said
no.
to me, Mitch.
They said, how far can you pull your nuts down before it starts to hurt?
Straight up like a news reporter, stretching my balls in class.
I am gonna do
When
some
talk about
research
torture,
real
I
quick.
snap my
Not
dick
my
in half.
dick in half. Hey, yeah, boy.
I'm gonna do some research real quick. Hey, so it turns out I have rubber balls and it doesn't hurt ever. So
Rubber.
I have
what?
no balls. I pulled and pulled, and they just went.
Wow.
dude,
Like the ropes, like the big fucking ropes they have that like hold
Talk about
shipping,
ropes. I'm about
like
to
the
start
large
shooting
like ore ships and stuff to the dock,
yeah.
and they to get so much pressure they just kind of snap and like whip back.
them.
Something
Dude, I
my
saw
nuts
a guy
did.
get hit by that. I saw
Yeah?
a live leak of a guy getting hit by that.
Oh, ugh. Yeah.
Sorry to take over the topic with that one, but it's just, I had to visualize the event happening, and unfortunately, the event I know is a guy getting fucking whacked by that.
That's okay. That's kind of what happened to my leg. Fucking shoot it clean off.
Just
Seriously,
Like,
man, I
damn.
watched the guy's upper half of his body in the fence explode.
Yeah, they do that sometimes.
It was insane. I watched one person duck it and another person eat it.
Yeah, that happens when
Are
you
you gonna
fill your
finish
chest
that?
with Tamara. Finish that? You just sucked it up like spaghetti.
Get up, you faker. You're just trying to get fucking workman's comp. Look at this fucking clown.
We got enough for one more mission.
Big faker.
We're gonna get 100% on this one. 5 stars.